Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get EA Sports FC 26 completely for free on PlayStation, Xbox, and PC. And yes, this is real, no scam, 100% legit. All you'll need is a mobile device. I'll walk you through the full step-by-step tutorial, and by the end, you'll have the game code ready to redeem. If this works for you, make sure to leave a like so others know it's working. And if you run into any problems, just drop a comment and I'll try to help you out. Alright, let's get into it. First, grab your phone. This works on both iPhone and Android, and open up any browser. Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, whatever you use. Then go to the website twistycoupons.com. It's a coupon site that has free app deals and game codes. Find the listing for FC26 and tap on it. It should show how many codes are left. They go fast, so don't wait too long. After you open it, you'll see the game code is locked. To unlock it, you need to complete 2 quick offers from sponsors. These are free, no payment required, no subscriptions, nothing shady. The sponsors are just mobile apps that want new users. For example, you might see offers like, download an app and open it, or reach a certain level in a game. That's it. You don't have to buy anything, just complete the tasks. They're usually quick. Once you finish 2 offers, go back to the site and the game code should unlock. If not, try doing a 3rd offer just to be safe. Now that the code is unlocked, just copy it and redeem it on your PlayStation, Xbox, or PC, wherever you play. That's all there is to it. You now have EA Sports FC 26 for free. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and leave a comment if you have any questions.